Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brighten Up. Today we explore the top 10 AI tools revolutionizing social media marketing. Stay tuned to learn how these tools take your social media marketing game to the next level. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to boost their online presence, these tools are sure to make a difference. So, let's dive right in. First up is Canva. This user-friendly design tool helps create stunning graphics for your social media. Its AI-driven templates make design accessible to everyone. Elevate your brand, engage your audience, and make a lasting impression with professional quality designs, all at your fingertips. Next, meet Buffer, your ultimate companion for social media success. With its AI-powered features, Buffer takes the guesswork out of social media management, allowing you to optimize your content strategy for maximum impact. Like auto-schedule intelligence, content recommendation, performance analytics, adaptive posting. Buffer's AI is the secret weapon for efficient and effective social media management. Also, your time to focus on creating meaningful interactions and strategic planning. Number 3, Hootsuite. Montage of managing multiple social media accounts. Hootsuite is your all-in-one solution for mastering social media management. With its intuitive platform and powerful features, Hootsuite empowers you to streamline your social media efforts and maximize your online presence. Most key features is publish and schedule, social media analytics, AI content creation, best times to post. You can save more time and effort with Hootsuite's user-friendly interface and time-saving features. Number 4, ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT by OpenAI is changing the game in content creation. This AI language model can draft creative posts and automate responses, enhancing community interaction. ChatGPT, most popular for infinite creativity, knowledge at your fingertips, adaptable tone and style, effortless conversation. ChatGPT is not just a language model, it's the sweet serenade of your ideas, bringing them to life with elegance and flair. Number 5, BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is a popular online tool that provides insights into content performance on social media platforms. It helps users identify popular and trending content related to specific topics or keywords. What BuzzSumo can do for you. Outreach. Find and connect with 700K journalists. Discovery. Be inspired by engaging topics and real-time trends. Research. Discover the most popular content in any niche. Monitoring. Accurately track mentions, trends, and updates. Can you put a price on quality data? If yes, then go for some plans. Number 6, HubSpot. Think CRM software is just about contact management. Think again. HubSpot CRM has free tools for everyone on your team, and it's 100% free. It's help your email campaigns and improve your SEO strategy. Key features: predictive lead scoring, email marketing optimization, content optimization, sales automation, customer support automation, reporting and analytics. If it's useful, I recommend checking HubSpot's official website and get a demo. Number 7, Adobe Express. Make amazing work that stands out with generative AI features powered by Adobe Firefly. Design flyers, TikToks, resumes, and reels with the all-in-one Adobe Express. Create easier, dream bigger. Most key features: create fast with generative AI and one-click quick actions. Text to image. Remove background. Resize image. Resize video. Convert to GIF. I recommend checking Adobe Express, official website, and try it. You need some quick and easier video creation AI tool for your social media growth. That is number 8, Lumen 5. Nowadays, video content is ruling the social media game, and Lumen 5's AI is here to help. Transform text into engaging videos with AI-driven text-to-video technology. Elevate your visual storytelling and capture your audience's attention. Key features: automated script creation, visual storyboarding, automated scene transitions, adaptive scene duration, dynamic text animation. Lumen 5 offering a powerful and user-friendly solution for turning text into visually striking and engaging videos. elevate your content, captivate your audience, and bring your ideas to life. How to analyze and track social media. You need some analytics tool. That is number 9, Google Analytics. Google Analytics isn't just for websites. Its AI-driven analytics provide deep insights into your social media performance. Understand your audience, track referral traffic, and make data-driven decisions for social media success. By understanding your social media analytics, you can learn a lot about your audience and how they're interacting with your content. Also, you can track your results and improve your social media strategy. Number 10, AdCreative.ai. Generate ad creatives. Generate conversion-focused ad creatives in a matter of minutes while staying on brand. Test more creatives while decreasing time spent on design process. And get up to 14x better conversion and click-through rates with our unique AI. Produce banners and creatives for any advertising platform in seconds. Be it Facebook and Instagram ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads. This tool covers all your ad design needs effortlessly. Also, you can generate catchy headline and description and call to action that engage people. These are the top 10 AI tools transforming social media marketing. Use these AI tools to help you manage your social media. Comment me which one you like most, and which AI tool you need details video we'll create for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights. See you in the next video.